Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use Asana as a sort of media management or content management system. So let's get right into it. Now, Asana is basically used for scheduling and task management, so it could be applied to pretty much anything, as well as, of course, media management if you want to do so. And let me just show you a project that I have created that is sort of, well, concepted around, of course, social media management. Now, if I go here, as you can see, I have added some sections and some tasks. One section here is for daily posts or for posts in general. This one is for reels, and this one is for community engagement, such as overviewing and replying to comments, etc., etc. Now, all you have to do is create the sections if you wish. If you don't want to, you can just add tasks as they are without any sections. But for example, let's say I want to make a section for post. I've made one for daily posts, and let's say one for special posts, and now I have added that name, and I'll assign myself to it by clicking here and adding myself. You're gonna add a due date. I'll make it repeat daily, and I'll add a time, for example, every day at around I don't know, 10 a.m. or 10:30 a.m., or rather, I think the optimal time for a post is around 12:30, so I'll add 12:30, and now as you can see, today I added 12:30 p.m. and it's repeating daily. So that is how you create a task for Asana, and this will be helpful for you to overview your task and, of course, set reminders for yourself to keep yourself accountable and to not forget any sort of, well, important tasks, so that you keep up with the algorithm and the engagement. And that is basically how you build your project up. The rest is up to you. You add whichever sections and tasks you would like. You can even add virtual assistants to Asana, which I've made a tutorial on, so you can check that out as well. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.